here right now. He's out of the office. I think he's gonna be back later on today.
Can we confirm a time that he and I can meet?
Ray's not back in.
No, he should be back about a half an hour.
His schedule is not here right now. If you want to come back in a half an hour.
No, I'd really like to just find a time. Sure, we have phones that we can connect to some of these people who can make the decisions, or to the congressman himself. What's he doing now? Is there something more important to him than healthcare?
You didn't call to make an appointment with him,
We did several times. We
and
called.
nobody returned your phone call?
Oh, he just kept saying that he was too busy to be able to meet. But I really thought he'd want to meet with me, being one of his constituents, and being that all my patients are his constituents. I figured that he really want to meet and talk about healthcare. But if he's too busy for that, that's fine.
He's not here, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's too bad. Will you leave a message for him?
I sure will.
That I was here and missed him, but would have liked to
Did you
visit
want
with him?
to leave him a note, or?
I'd be happy to.
Put down what part of Kansas you're from, and also your phone number.
All right.
Okay. I'll make sure he gets this. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Have a nice day, everybody.
Thank you. I was wondering if I could sit in there, wait for the guy all day.
So what's the plan now? We're just gonna wait and see if he calls you back?
I'm gonna, if he does, you can